How to log into Marks and Spencer's employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Marks and Spencer's employee portal. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First step is open up a web browser and simply search for Marks and Spencer's employee login. Then you'll find Marks and Spencer's website right here. You can open that up. After you open that up, what you'll then need to do is simply type in your email address for your account, then password. After you type in the password, tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's basically that simple. If you've forgotten your password, there's also an option to reset it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Also, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye and take care.